Yes, Sarah.
Mama,
Yes.
I am in the car now.
Okay.
Hey guys, I am Swati and welcome to my YouTube channel Swati Shining Stars. It's weekend and today we are going to Costco for grocery shopping. So let's go. So first things first, safety first. Okay guys, now we are on the way to Costco. I am driving after almost 3 months. It feels really good. So happy driving to me. Usually we go to get groceries every week, but in this COVID situation we started going every 2 weeks and stock up as much as possible to refrain from going out in a public again and again. Meanwhile, I will share some experience how we entertain our 3 years old toddler while driving in the car. So first thing which my toddler enjoy a lot is sit and dance activity. So in this, just we turn on car music and my kid enjoy dancing while sitting in his car seat. So mostly he dance with hands and head movements. Sounds really silly, but he enjoy this activity a lot. And his current favorite song is Rum Sum Sum, Rum Sum Sum, Gully 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 Rum Sum Sum. Next car activity is car picnic with a story time. And my favorite part of this activity is the food, which my toddler enjoy eating without putting much effort. Finding the perfect snack for kids on a road trip is an art. It's got to be easily portable, not too messy, somewhat healthy, and something the kids will actually eat. My best snack idea: apple slices, homemade cereal bars, homemade mini muffins, some dry fruits like dates or dry roasted makhana or foxnut, bell pepper or carrot sticks or fruit leathers. So he enjoys snacks while listening to stories in the car. Remember, kids can understand a higher level when listening to a story than they can actually read. So don't be afraid to go with a chapter book. You can also check out Audible for some children's audiobook to download to your phone. Actually, we do homeschooling for our kid. So in my upcoming video, I will share in detail about preschool activity. So please guys, consider subscribing my channel. Right now we almost reached Costco and my Honey and Bunny is looking for a parking. Here my husband is Honey and my little munchkin is Bunny. No empty parking yet.
There's a parking right there on your left side.
Yes.
Okay, we need to find our parking.
Yes.
I need to find my parking.
Finally, I parked my car.
Okay.
Okay, so now we reached Costco. So let's go inside.
Now I can go. Thank you. Hi. Mama,
Yes.
I am in the car now.
Okay.
Some dresses I want to buy.
Some dresses you want to buy?
Okay.
Okay.
One bag.
Costco is also good for dresses. I bought 2 for me.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Some kiwis. Look
Yeah.
at the kiwis.
And some apples.
I want to go on the cold. This is good. I need to go on the cold one.
Potatoes. Wow, beautiful flowers.
Sit down. Sit down.
And here my cutie pie asking lots of questions. Costco has already stocked Christmas stuff. Still 3 months to go.
It's beautiful, Arya. And what is this? Let's go. Is this Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Come.
Billing done. Let's go.
So time to fill gasoline in our car. So right now we are standing in a queue.
It's a self-service Costco gasoline station. My hubby is refueling our car. And according to my munchkin, car tummy is full now, yo! So let's go home. Okay guys, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye. See you soon.